Hey everyone, how's it going? Dale here. Today we're taking a look at the iPhone 15 in the pink color, which I think is going to be the color for the iPhone 15. So let's go ahead and open it up here and wow, that's nice. That is bright pink, especially after coming off unboxing the Pro models. This is a really nice, bright and welcome color. Immediately, I actually really like it. Back with the 13 mini, we had this kind of pink color, which was dulled out and grayed out. Never liked it. I always preferred the Starlight. In all those videos I said I really prefer the Starlight, and that still is the case. It's one of my all-time favorite colors. I love that color. And here, this pink is pink. That's what it should be. That's what a pink phone should look like. Really great color right off the bat. The matte frosted back looks fantastic. It somehow looks more matte and more frosted than the Pro models. I'm not sure how or why, but it does. And maybe you can tell on video, but it really doesn't reflect light like at all. It is matte, and it just looks absolutely stunning. Wow, that is a nice color. Definitely consider this. This will look badass with like a blue case or some accented case. It'll look super cool. Yeah, this phone retails for $800 for the 128GB model. And I will tell you, this thing feels lightweight. It feels like nothing. Holy cow. It is nice. I think it's much lighter than the titanium models actually. Yeah, it feels slimmer and lighter because this aluminum still feels nicer and colder to the touch than the actual titanium. The titanium still is leaning more towards that feeling of stainless steel. The aluminum sides here feel absolutely fantastic, and they look really nice too. This candy back just looks great though. Let's go ahead and remove the film here in the front, boot it up here, and in the box you're gonna get the USB-C to USB-C cable to charge your phone. You will be needing to use that because it no longer is lightning. And then let's see, nope. I mean, I kind of got my hopes up there for a second, but there's no point. Apple just does not want to do anything fun nowadays. A pink sticker would have been cool. A sticker for every phone would have been super cool, but you just got the white one. And again, white cable just for all the phones. Colored would have been really fun as well. But Apple does seem to be trying to cut costs in those little things like that. And I don't know if you noticed, but this box came dented. Like even the box for UPS was had water all over it. So yeah, good thing the phone is in good condition, it looks like. But there it is, look at that. It looks absolutely stunning. It definitely has more of a flat look here on the front. I don't think it has the thin edges like the ones on the new 15 Pros. No, it doesn't. The 15 Pro definitely has that slimmer edge, but honestly, these look absolutely fantastic still. But yeah, this pink color, my goodness, is it absolutely stunning. Wow. If the sides here were just a little bit more pink and had less of that metal look, it would be like perfection. But this is as close to perfect as I think we'll get in a pink color. I don't think Apple will ever top this for pink. And I would almost say that maybe we won't get pink next year because this is such a good pink. They might just do a different color next year. Right off the bat, let's just go ahead here and show you how it looks slightly different here in person while talking and texting and stuff. But let me here first show you different angles on that. You can see that the back is super matte. So the color of the pink doesn't really shift around or change or anything. It does stay very similar as you move the phone around. And I think that looks really cool. I guess it technically makes it look like it's less expensive technically, but I personally like that more. The sides are not going to attract fingerprints like the titanium. So that's also a pro. Look at that right there. You don't get the new button here. It is still a ringer switch, but it's honestly fine. It definitely could have gotten it, but of course Apple has to differentiate the Pro models to make up and validate that more expensive price tag. But yeah, very nice color here from a distance. Can you see the pink? Does it turn too white or no? No, you can still see the pink. It looks really nice. Compared here to the 13 mini pink, what are we thinking? Oh yeah. Huge difference. That 13 mini pink gone for me. Never was a fan. That glass back, nah, this new one's fantastic. Here while texting, just so you can see it there. Well, I'm kind of just holding it up and looking, but texting here. How does that look? Pew, pew, pew. What a great little color that is. So fun. So fun. Feels really nice in the hand too. Love that. Rounded edges. Fantastic little phone. But yeah, one more comparison here to the 13 mini pink, just so you can really see that in case you have it and you're not sure if the new one is actually better. I can say for certain that it is, but of course it's all up to preference and what you personally think is better. So yeah, there you go. Here one more time, right there, since it does look a little bit different there. Look at that new pink camera module. That's gonna look stunning. If you put a case on this, you're still gonna get that pink showing through. It's gonna look great. And talking about cases here, let's go ahead and put the clear MagSafe case from Apple here. And that way you can kind of see how this is gonna look. It should look really good with this. And yeah, it does. Look at that. Wow. Very clean. The pink and the white match very well. This is just gonna be a great phone. If you put a blue case on this pink phone, I know it might not seem like it works, but blue with pink looks absolutely stunning. There you go. Here's a closer look here at the sides through the clear case. What do you think there? I think it just looks absolutely stunning. Like, this phone has no negative qualities to it. Actually, it's just fun. People were saying that the colors for the 15 were dull. Like, are you kidding me? What is this then? What is this? You can't even see the pink in here. Yeah, this is definitely, if you're considering pink or another color, there's no way. There's no way that any of these other colors are gonna match this. We'll see in the next unboxings, but I think go for it right away. Just go for it. Get it, enjoy it. It's absolutely stunning. And get a couple cases to like really mix and match because the vibes are gonna be super cool. You could do light blue for cotton candy, maybe Taylor Swift lover kind of vibes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to check out the color comparisons and subscribe to the channel. Give a like for the algorithm, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Goodbye.